In this video, I'm going to show you how to optimize your data by highlighting duplicates with this quick AI hack here in Google Sheets. So if you're new to the channel and you're wondering how does AI help with Google Sheets, this is just one of the many videos that I've already created, and if you want to check out those other videos, I'll be leaving the playlist with a card at the top right corner for you to check out later. And if you want some extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you can check out. And going back to this video, we're using AI to help us create a function within Google Sheets that will highlight our duplicates. So the way this works is that we go to ChatGPT right here and create a prompt. Now the prompt will be to ask this AI tool to create a script that we're going to put in App Script in Google Sheets that will create that function. I have this prompt. So I'm asking this AI tool to generate a script in Google App Script for Google Sheets that will highlight duplicate rows. So you have to be specific on what you want to highlight. It can be rows or columns or specific cells. That's totally up to you. For this prompt, I'm asking it to highlight duplicate rows. So in each set of duplicates, it gets a unique color. All identical values will share the same color. So if we have 2, 3, 4 duplicates, that will all have the same color. And the non-duplicates will remain uncolored. Also, we want a custom menu added in our menu bar that will show the options where we can add those highlights or remove the highlights. So you're free to specify all the things that you want to be done with this function. So if there are any other specifications that you want, you can include them here. And if you press enter, it will give you the result. Here it's giving me the rundown of what that function will do and also the full script. It will also give you instructions on how you can do this, and if you have more questions, you can keep asking or keep on tweaking on that script until you are satisfied. So let's try it out. First, if it will work, we have our code right here, which we're going to copy. So for every script that ChatGPT generates, it will have the copy code right here. Once that's copied, we're going to go back to our spreadsheet. Here we have it. So the instructions are we go to extensions here in the menu bar and open App Script. If we click on that, that will open in another tab where we are going to be pasting our script. So make sure before you paste anything that this part would be empty. So if there are other scripts that are entered, make sure to delete them first, then you can go ahead and paste. So Control V to paste. There we have it. That's our full script right here. Our next step would be to save it by clicking on this icon right here. So it's now saving the project. After it's saved, we're going to click on Run the selected function. Click on that. And there we have it. So in the execution log, we have execution started. After this, there will be a pop-up window where it will ask you to review permissions. So after you've allowed those permissions, it will say execution completed. Once that's done, you can go back to your spreadsheet. Here we have it, and you'll notice right away that we already have that custom menu on the menu bar, which if we click on it, will give us two options, which is again, highlight our duplicate rows and remove our highlights. So if we click on the first option, it's running the script. There you have it. Duplicate rows are highlighted. And again, those that are the same will be highlighted in the same color. There you have it. So that's our first duplicate set. Here's another one and another one. There you have it. So if we try and select the second option, which is remove highlights, it will run the script again, and now all the highlights have been removed. And there you have it. So with the help of ChatGPT, we were able to create a custom menu or a custom function that will highlight our duplicates for us. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.